Thanks for tuning in. We've got another familiar box, familiar flip tab, and familiar polishing cloth. But one thing that's very unique, aside from the foam inserts, we have a screwdriver, which denotes screw pins in the bracelet instead of push pins. A nice change. And very nice homage to the Longines Spirit. That hang tag, I'm looking forward to the days those hang tags are no longer included. Stay tuned for loom shots and wrist rolls at the end of the video. I'll put the links in the description below for where I got this watch and where I'm selling it, because everything is for sale. Otherwise, I'll just continue to enjoy it if nobody wants to buy it. Very nice bracelet with 5 links. This is the V2, which has the longer second hand compared to the V1. So if you're ever shopping, you know how to spot the difference. Sapphire crystal, which is covered in plastic, to my surprise. 38mm dial size, 20mm lug width, 13mm thickness, NH35A movement with 200 meters of water resistance and a screw down crown and a solid case back. Now the dial, even though it's green, it changes shades depending on what light it's in. And you'll notice with the wrist shots that I have at the end of the video, sometimes it really pops bright olive and other times it almost looks black. So it's a nice chameleon dial. This, I think future videos I'm not going to do this plastic unraveling because it's just very fiddly and nobody really wants to see that. I've seen a number of other YouTubers just either speed it up like I have done here or just not even bother showing it. So I think that's what I'll do in the future. But the bracelet, as I'm looking at the bracelet, it's a 5-segment bracelet. So it's very fluid and wears very comfortably. Part of it's polished, but most of it is brushed, and the ends of the links are polished as well. So very nice finishing quality overall. You wouldn't think that this was the price that it is, where the milled stainless steel clasp has a triple safety fold over, and it's signed with Pagani, his logo. And yeah, very, very nice. I'm wearing my 2445A from Pagani Design. The review link will be in the description below. Also a very great watch, and I have some of those for sale. So there you have it. I'm gonna put this on my wrist just to give you an idea of how easy it is to, even with gloves, to put it on. Very nice wear, very attractive, very easy to read, and definitely a nice addition to anybody's collection. And here's some details for you to scrutinize and look at. Thanks again for tuning in. Have yourselves a great day.
Down, down, down.